Hello guys, my name is Kalesh. Today I am going to explain digital image processing. Let's see. What is digital image? A digital image is a representation of two-dimensional image as a finite set of digital values called picture elements or pixels. You can see in the image. What is digital image? Pixel values typically represent gray levels, colors, heights, opacities. Remember, digitization implies that a digital image is an approximation of real scene. The digital image processing focuses on two major tasks: improvement of pictorial information for human interpretation, processing of image data for storage, transmission, and representation for autonomous machine perception. Uses of digital image processing: image enhancement, restoration, artistic effects, medical visualization, law enforcement, human-computer interfaces. Example of image enhancement. As you can see in the below image, how the blurred image was made into clear image. It improves the quality and removes the noise. Example, the Hubble telescope. The Hubble telescope was launched in 1990. The Hubble telescope can take image of very distant objects. However, an incorrect mirror made many Hubble's image useless. Image processing technique for users to fix this. As you can see the pictures. Examples in artistic effects. Artistic effects are used to make image more visually appealing, to add special effects, and to make composite images. In medicines, take slice from MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, scan of a heart, and find boundaries between type of tissue. Image with a gray levels representing tissue density. Use a suitable filter to highlight edges. In GIS, Geographical Information System, digital image processing techniques are used extensively to manipulate satellite imagery, terrain classification, and meteorology. In law enforcement, image processing techniques are used extensively by law enforcers. Number plate recognition for speed cameras, automated toll system, and fingerprint recognition. Example in HCI. Try to make a human-computer interface for more natural face recognition, gesture recognition. Does anyone remember the user interface from Minority Report? These tasks can be extremely difficult, as you can see. Image processing fields, computer graphics, the creation of image processing, enhancement or other manipulation of the image, computer vision, analysis of the image content, image processing fields, input output, image description, image processing, computer graphics, description, computer vision, and AI. Sometimes image processing is defined as a discipline in which both the input and output of a process are images. But according to this classification, trivial task of computing the average intensity of an image would not be considered as image processing operation. Computerized process types. Low-level process. Input and output are images. Task. Primitive operations such as image processing to reduce noise, contrast enhancement, and image sharpening. Computerized process types. Mid-level process. Input generally are images. Output are attributes extracted from those images. Task. Segmentation. Description of those objects to reduce them to form suitable for computer processing. Classification of objects. Computerized process types. High-level processing. Image analysis and computer vision. Digital image definition. An image can be defined as two-dimensional function f of x, y, x, y, as spatial coordinates. F, the amplitude of any pair of coordinates x, y, which is called the intensity or gray level of image at the point. X, y, and f are all finite and discrete quantities. Fundamental step in digital image processing. Output of these processes generally are images. There you can see image acquisition, image enhancement, image restoration, color image processing, wavelets and multi-resolution processing, image compression, morphological processing, segmentation, and representation and description, and object decision. These are all the steps involved in image processing. Fundamental steps in DIP. Step 1. Image acquisition. The image is captured by a sensor and digitized if the output of the camera or sensors are not already in digital form using analog to digital converters. Step 2. Image enhancement. The process of manipulating an image so that the result is more suitable than the original for specific applications. The idea behind enhancement technique is to bring out details that are hidden or simple to highlight certain features of interest in an image. Color image process. Use the color of the image to extract feature of interest in an image. Wavelets are the foundation of representing image in a various degree of resolution. It is used for image data compression. Compression technique for reducing the storage required to save an image or bandwidth required to transmit it. Morphological processing tools for extracting image components that are useful in the representation and description of shape. In this step, where would be transition from process that output image to process that output image attributes. Image segmentation. Segmentation procedures partition an image into its constituent part of objects. Important. The more accurate the segmentation, the more likely to recognize it to succeed. Representation and representation and description. Representation. Make a decision whether the data should be represented as a boundary or as a complete region. It is almost always follow the output of a segmentation structure. Boundary representation. Focus on external shape characteristics such as corners and inflections. Region representation. Focus on internal properties such as texture or skeleton. Representation and description. Choosing a representation is only part of the solution for transforming raw data into format suitable for subsequent computer processing. Description, also called feature selection, deals with extracting attributes that are resulting in some information of interest. Recognition and interpretation. Recognition, the process that assigns label to an object based on the information provided by the description. Knowledge base. Knowledge about the problem domain is encoded into an image processing system in the form of knowledge database. Thank you.